Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are doing well. Welcome back again. In today's video, I'm going to share a very popular side dish recipe, that's spicy dried shrimp masala, which is also popularly known as sukhat or zavla in Maharashtra. Do watch this video until end, as I have shared a very easy way to clean this zavla and make a flavorfully delicious masala. Hope you like this video. Keep watching. So let's learn how to make delicious dried shrimp masala recipe at home in an easy way. So let's start. These are the ingredients that we require. So here I have taken 250 grams of dried shrimp, that's zavla. This dried shrimp varies in size. Here I have taken the small ones that actually gives the best taste. Now among the veggies, here I have taken 2 big sliced onions, 2 big sliced tomatoes, some coriander leaves, few curry leaves, 4 to 5 garlic cloves and 2 green chilies, which I am gonna crush it. Then we require a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 tablespoons of oil and masala mix powder. In masalas I have taken half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. This will give a nice taste and color, and then salt as per taste. Now let's start. Firstly, we need to roast the dry shrimps. So into a heated pan, add the shrimps and dry roast it. Dry roast them on a medium-low heat until it turns golden brown and crispy in texture. I have been roasting it for a few minutes and you can see it slightly changed color and also turned crispy. Once it's roasted, we'll show you the easiest way of cleaning it. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like and share it, as I keep posting interesting, quick and easy recipes. Now look at it. It's roasted very well and turned crispy. Now at this stage, switch off the flame and then we're gonna transfer it to a wide big bowl and we'll clean it. See how crispy it is? Now for cleaning it, to this I'm gonna add sufficient water. Add sufficient water to it and then allow it to soak for 5 to 10 minutes. In this way all dirt will get accumulated at the bottom. We'll show you how. Now it's been soaking for 10 minutes now. And now let's clean and wash it. So for that, just rinse and wash the shrimp as shown to get rid of any sand, dirt or impurities. In this way all the dirts will get to the bottom of the pan, and then just strain and squeeze the excess water and transfer to the plate as shown. Now you need to repeat this process for 2 to 3 times with clean water, and the dry shrimps will be cleaned and washed completely. This is one of the easiest way of cleaning it. Now you can see all the dirts getting accumulated. So I have washed it for 2 to 3 times, and now you can see a clean zavla is ready now. Now let's prepare the masala. So for preparing the masala, into the same pan add oil and then allow it to heat up. Once oil heats up, to this we're gonna add cumin seeds. Add in the cumin seeds and roast it for few seconds. Then goes in the curry leaves, give a stir, and then add crushed garlic green chilies, which I have crushed in mortar and pestle. Add it and saute it until raw aroma goes away. The garlic needs to turn slightly golden in color, so keep roasting. And now you can see garlic has changed color and roasted well. Now to this we're going to add the sliced onions. Add in the onions and then we're going to saute it until it turns golden brown in color. Now for onions to cook faster, add little salt and saute well. In this way onions will cook faster. But remember, we had already added little salt in our masala mix. So add the salt accordingly and fry the onions. You can see the onions have fried well and turned golden in color. Now to this add the masala mix and roast it for a minute. You may adjust the spice as per your taste. Now masalas are roasted well, as you can see. Now to this we're going to add the sliced tomatoes. Add in the sliced tomatoes and then saute the tomatoes until it turns soft and mushy. Now quick tip, if you add boiled rice to this mixture, it will turn tomato rice and will taste yummy. Now you can see the tomatoes have turned soft and mushy and the traces of oil leaving out. So at this stage, we're going to add the roasted and washed dry shrimps. So add it and give a good mix. After adding the dry shrimps, mix it very well and then allow the shrimps to cook. You may cover and cook it. Dry shrimps gets cooked really fast. In just 5 to 10 minutes you can see the dry shrimps will be ready. Now you can see the traces of oil leaving out and the spices and the shrimps are very well cooked. A super quick, easy and a delicious spicy dry shrimp masala is absolutely ready. Finally, just garnish it with some chopped coriander leaves and mix it well. Allow it to cook for another 1 minute and that's it. You can switch off the flame and serve it hot. A super easy, super quick dry shrimp masala is ready. Serve it hot with rotis or bhakri. We personally love to have it with bhakri, that's bajre ka roti, which is very healthy, nutritious and tasty. I have shared a recipe on how to make soft and fluffy bajra roti. We'll share the link. Please do check. Hope you like this delicious recipe. If so, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so and also like and share it. And don't forget to press the bell icon for receiving notification for my upcoming interesting videos. Until then, take care of yourself, stay healthy and safe. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking. Bye bye.